Hello Year 3, it's Mr. Howell. Just a short maths video for you today. We're going to be doing some revision for your review for this unit that we've just done about further multiplication and division. You'll be doing that on Monday, so we're going to see if we can think about all of the knowledge and all of the information that we've covered so far in this unit. Here's an easy one to get you started then, our mind workout. Tickets for a school concert were sold to adults and children at different prices as shown in the table. So we've got an adult ticket costing £6 and a child ticket costing £3. On the first day of sales, the same number of adult tickets and child tickets were sold. The total amount of money collected from the sale of tickets was £72. So the key information on this question is going to be the fact that adult tickets cost £6 and that a child ticket costs £3. Now I wonder whether you can notice any correlation, any pattern between those two numbers, which might be important in a moment. And then we know that the same number of adult tickets and child tickets was sold on that first day, and we know that the total amount of money collected was £72. So we're looking to see if we can work out how many tickets were sold that would add up to a value of £72. Pause the video here and I want you to see whether you can come up with an answer, and then we're going to go through looking at how we could solve this problem together in a moment. So I've put the mind workout in the corner there just in case we need to refer to it. Let's have a look at completing a bar model to show how this will work, because I think that's quite a good way of helping us to understand the pattern between the numbers that we've got. So we've got an adult ticket and that costs not £3 but another £3, which equals a total of £6. We've got a child ticket that costs £3. Now I wonder if you can see why I've done the adult as two separate £3. Can you tell? That's right, because an adult ticket costs twice as much as a child ticket. So I've represented the adult ticket as costing two amounts of £3, which comes to a total of £6. So for every adult ticket and every child ticket, what is the cost? So we've got a £6 adult ticket and a £3 child ticket. So for every adult ticket and child ticket that's sold, we have a total of £9. Are we any closer to working out what the answer might be? Is there any pattern or any correlation that you might be able to see between our £9 and our total of £72? I think some of you might have just had a think, and the answer is that for every ticket that's sold it costs £9. If we were to divide 72 divided by 9, that would give us a total of 8. Now that means that 8 tickets were sold. That's 8 adult tickets were sold. In total it would be 16 tickets, but it would be 8 adult tickets and 8 child tickets, because remember the question is asking me how many adult tickets were sold that day. And we could, if we wanted to, check that this calculation was correct, and if we added £9 8 times, if we did some repeated addition, or 9 multiplied by 8 to do the inverse of our division, we would get a total of £72. Here's an opportunity for you to challenge someone you live with. You have got a word problem but with some blanks, and I want you to see if you can write out your own and see if you can challenge someone to answer it correctly. So you've got someone's name has got, and then you need to write a 2-digit number and then think of an object or objects, and then come up with someone else's name and write a 1-digit number to show how many times more that person has. And then you're going to write the question of how many objects do one of the person have and one of them else have all together? So very similar to the challenges that you came up with on Wednesday's lesson, and I was really impressed with some of those that you came up with. Well done, they were really challenging. Mr. Howell had to work out the answers for them, so well done. And I want you to see if you can challenge one of the people that you live with. Another word problem for us to work through together. A farmer keeps the same number of chickens and ducks in his farm. He counts and finds out the chickens and ducks have 96 legs all together. Hopefully they kept still while he was counting them. How many chickens and ducks does the farmer keep? Okay, so let's have a look at this one together. We know that the total of legs are 96. That's our total of legs. And we need to work out how many chickens and ducks the farmer keeps. And we know that they've got the same amount, so whichever answer we come up with is going to be the same. But we need to find out how many legs they've got. Well, we know how many legs they've got, but how many legs do ducks and chickens have? And they've got 2, haven't they? So I think if we were to divide this by 2, that might give us the answer. I'm quite confident with this one. So 96 divided by 2, and hopefully you're going to do your long division to answer this question. Have you done it? So the answer that you should have had is going to be 48. Fantastic. Let's double check my answer then. So a farmer keeps the same number of chickens and ducks in his farm. He counts and finds out that chickens and ducks have 96 legs altogether. So that's both of them. So if we've divided that by 2, I don't think that's the answer. That's telling me how many animals there are in total, because they've got 2 legs each. So I think we now need to divide 48 by 2 as well. So I wonder if you can tell me what this answer will be. Have you done your long division? So the answer is 24. Can you see if there's a quicker way of doing that? There might be. There will be a Head Teachers Award to anyone that can answer or tell me what the quicker way to work out that answer is. There you go, there's your challenge. So for your work today, there's going to be a TT Rockstars battle that's going to be throughout tomorrow. And I want you to see if you can use your times table knowledge and your division knowledge to help challenge yourself and improve your own score. And then, just as a bit of fun, because it is a Friday, I've come up with a puzzle for you. How many train track pieces are there? And can you group them any better than I have? And I will show you that picture in a larger form at the end of the video. If you've got any questions, or if you want to email your answer for that Head Teachers Award, you can email us at year3@ssjs.co.uk. Miss Wilkinson will be back with some maths videos for you next week. So take care, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.